AIIBIS is an immersive stimulative tool offers a dynamic, interactive and experiential platform tailored for banking and financial professionals. The AIIBIS Milestone simulation platform is specifically designed for this sector, promoting applied learning, complex decision-making, team collaboration, experiential learning and strategic thinking. This innovative approach enhances professional development, equipping individuals with the skills necessary to navigate and excel in the complex world of banking and finance. Through realistic simulations, professionals can engage in practical scenarios, fostering a deeper understanding and mastery of their field. The AIIBIS Milestone simulation tool is an ideal team exercise for future leaders in banking and financial services. It facilitates understanding of market size, key and high-growth segments, and competitive landscapes. Participants utilize scorecards and dashboards to monitor their progress, providing real-time insights and measuring key performance indicators. Participants can explore various product and service offerings, benchmark performance, and identify specific target markets. Additionally, the tool helps in understanding customer preferences and assessing customer satisfaction. By simulating real-world scenarios, it equips future leaders with the skills needed for strategic decision-making and market analysis, essential for thriving in a competitive financial landscape. The game plan involves users acting as 7 key competitors in the BFS industry, aiming to improve revenue. Each team manages an ongoing BFS company, working to boost market share, overall revenue, and profit. Their portfolios include house loans, auto loans, MSME finance, and more, each with different propositions. Teams must prioritize market segments using the Ansoff matrix and choose an overall strategy for each segment. Additionally, they must develop a comprehensive 360 growth plan encompassing marketing, operations, HR, finance, and ESG initiatives. This immersive exercise sharpens strategic thinking and decision-making skills in a competitive environment. The scoring milestones are assessed based on the following features: enhancing overall company performance in market share, revenue, and growth. Each simulative parameter is weighted according to its business impact. The CXO dashboard displays all simulative parameters with their business outcomes. The AIIBIS Milestone BFS project involves 7 teams managing 7 unique BFS companies. Teams analyze market insights and choose growth strategies for each BFS market segment. They select function-specific parameters in marketing, operations, HR, finance, and ESG, each combination uniquely impacting business targets. Outcomes are assessed based on improved market share, revenue, and growth compared to the previous year. Performance-driven milestone is based on business outcomes and the appropriate choice of drivers. Each of the 7 companies is mapped on the success roadmap. Participants gain a balanced approach to BFS business, covering spend management, expense impact, and investment management. They also learn strategies for improving market share and profit margin. Additionally, they receive a comprehensive perspective on marketing, operations, HR, finance, and ESG, fostering well-rounded business acumen.